What's up, guys? It's Demon Viper, and I got a new old toy for you guys. If you guys have been into your Target recently, you might have seen old looking boxes of Hot Wheels with the ocean blue kind of color boxes, and even the some carded cards have this look now. Mattel's gone back in time and they've released this stow and go. This one takes me back to when I was a kid. It looks pretty much the same. It has storage for 15 cars, pop-up buildings, and it's pretty much ready to play with. I don't know if you have to put stickers on. It's got lots of moving parts, and it's just three levels of play area. It does include one vehicle. I don't know why they went with this one, and then go with something more classic. We brought Jonah out. There's Jonah. Let's go ahead and
open this hut up.
Let's open this Hot Wheels stow and go up.
I like that because I have the sample. I bought that in the Hot Wheels convention. Really?
No, we bought this at Target.
No, the other one from the Christmas one from Hot Wheels.
So there is a lot of stickers to put on. Not too. 20 stickers probably.
That's
instructions. And the stow and go looks like it's all intact. You don't have to put pieces together.
It's easy to know.
Awesome. That looks cool. You don't have to put a lot of pieces. You just have to put the stickers.
I didn't know that. Oh, the car.
Yep.
That's what the dog is.
It does look like Darth Vader's, huh? What's the name of this again? This is the prototype H-24.
It looks like the...
It came out with a Star Wars one of those, huh? Yeah. Is that one of your Star Wars cars?
Yeah, but I don't know where I put them.
Alright, so let's see
open
this.
This up.
The clips open.
Whoa. Oh, it's not standing up.
It's not. I think there's stands right here. Open those stands up. Check that out. This building pops up.
The other one doesn't walk.
It's not up?
Yeah.
You have to lock and then click it. You have to click those in place.
And
you have to.
And then do this. Wow. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. That. And watch this. You can do that. Or you can put booster seats.
You could put the track there.
Oh, just in the wings. What's this one?
It's another pop-up building. You gotta put stickers on that so it looks nicer.
Yeah, I know. But watch this. Whoa.
Whoa.
That's cool. And the other side is the gas. What is this?
It's the gas.
I know. But watch this.
What is that?
Can climb.
Oh, and you can put a car under that one too.
Yeah, I didn't know. That's cool. And you can do this. Let's walk. No, you didn't own it yet. Whoa, that's cool.
Yep.
And you can do this and you want to watch this. Or you can put the car under the garage. Whoa, that's cool. You can put the car in the garage and you want to.
Cool. Alright, let's sticker it up.
And you can put the car here.
And then we will play with lots of cars on here. It's all stickered up now. It took about 5 minutes to sticker. Some really long stickers that were a little hard to put on in some places. But all in all, it came out pretty good. So here's a look at the actual toy. Here's a closer look. It's all textured on the outside. You got 2 Hot Wheels stickers here. You got the handle here. Let's go ahead and set it up one more time. Show you how easy it is. So you want to click these so that they stay in place.
And also
And then you pop up the buildings. Lift up this handle too. Pop it. And you pop up the... And that's pretty much set up. And let's play with it.
Whoa, I almost crashed.
Yep.
No, something you can do. Do it and
you could change it. You could fix the tires.
And you also can open this up or open the other one up.
Mm-hmm. You like this toy?
But I like this huge building. That's a huge one.
That is a huge building.
So you can poke the car right behind here. And poke it in the right behind.
Cool.
And easy, bro.
You could even add track. You could connect your track to it.
Yeah, and you want to.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Lost it. A crash. And a crash.
Put some gas in the Mustang.
The gas station.
This is the fire station bell, not the diner bell.
What's this called? It's a small Mustang.
Check this out. When we close it,
Yeah. What?
when we close it, you can store cars here too.
Oh.
You could have a secret compartment for cars.
Oh. I don't know that.
That's pretty cool.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hey, go up here again and get some gas. Let me fix my tire. Or you can rough it up with this. Uh-oh, what? That's the car crashed. How you do this? Oh. Hey, my car's all fixed.
I wonder if this connects to the Hot Wheels Ultimate Garage, how it will connect.
But we haven't opened that 402 weeks ago.
Yeah, we haven't opened the Ultimate Garage yet, huh? Where is the Hot Wheels Ultimate Garage?
It's under the table.
It's under the table.
Who put it inside here?
I did. I don't know where to put it. It's huge.
I know where to put it. I know.
That's why we haven't opened the Hot Wheels Ultimate Garage
But
yet.
I know.
Because I don't know what to do with it after we open it.
But I know.
The Hot Wheels Ultimate Garage. Are we ready to open that?
Yeah.
You're ready. I'm not.
That's true.
Yeah, well, we've had it for a long time now, huh?
Yeah, so I guess we may open it.
We should open it.
Hey, open beer. Hey, the one spot. Oh, shit. Can I fit thing? Can I fit? Squish it in the casket. I'm gonna go top of the hill. And they're stuck. And my car's gonna go right here where we poke. Shouldn't do that. Hey, why they go step up?